thought that these were... So I thought that was cool. Hello, Katiaka. Hello, Katiaka. I thought we could spend a few hours together at home. This is my way of life now. My way of life. Kuʻu ano no hana mea, come here. I do have to get some work done. I got a hell of a lie. Probably make me a protein shake. The only mea oko'a, a huge thing that's oko'a right now, is that Bayahi isn't home with me. Went to my mom's last night and she just saying, oh, Mom, can you stand me, Mom? You thought that these were just for my tea, huh? No, I use them. As a secret. Yep. Call me what you want. Say what you want. But I haven't had a lick of BO, exercising and stuff like that. Not a lick of it. And apparently the citrus aspect of it is supposed to help with lightening. It's the only thing that I hope. I think it really is lightening underneath. This is one of my insecurities, is the darkness and my pits. I don't care. I shared it before on the internet, part of I think it was a YouTube video that I shared about sharing my insecurities, my physical body insecurities. Right. Make it love. So you're talking about natural remedies, I'm all about it, okay? Especially if it saves me a couple bucks. Also, welcome to the Sony ZV-1. This is a camera I've had since around the time Vayahi was born. And there's a couple things that I don't like about it. One, the battery does not last very long. Two, but this is the reason why I'm using it, is because I hope that the audio is better than my iPhone. I'm not turning on the top light because it turns on the ventilator, so I don't want that to cause any more sound. The lemon does leave little things here and there, obviously, from the lemon, but oh yes, I've seen quite the difference in my body odor. Less body odor, none actually at all. Anyway, spend a few hours, just kind of watch me do my routine. Again, it's different because with Vayahi not being home, I have a little bit more freedom. This is in the rotation of sunscreens that I'm using. The Biore UV. I don't know how I like it. I like it. There's a tad bit of fragrance in it. It's too thin for my liking, which is crazy to say, but I like it to leave a little bit of a, like, more of a weight. This one is beautiful. It blends right into the skin. No problem. Actually, no, that's actually really nice. It's just the fragrance that I have a thing with. Glad you're here. Mahalo for tuning in. So what's on the agenda for today? Get ready. Change clothes. I'm probably gonna do my whole week Kino first, or maybe get some work done first, or maybe make something to eat first. I don't know, but whatever order that's in, and maybe even hold my hali a little bit because, yes. So about the lemmy, don't knock it till you try it, okay? These last for about maybe in like a week. And then when you're ready to reuse it the next day and it maybe dries up a little bit, just squeeze them and then the juice come out and then you use it that way. So far, just using it the way that I've been using it, no be all, baby, no be all. Yeah, so this one is a little dried up. This one was, I think, at least, I want to say 4 or 5 days old. Because I reuse them over and over. I don't just toss them after one use. I use them over and over and over again. But it's been very effective. And honestly, I think there were days in between where I would use it and go without it maybe about 2 or 3 days or 1 or 2 days. And I would still have no body odor. Whatever little adjustments I can make that's more natural or cost effective, then I'm going to do that. You are in my cupboard. I gotta hold my kokokahime. Now kake. We have some leftover vegetables, some cottage cheese. Yeah, and then I'll make a protein shake after I head up bye. And you already know. Ooh la la. Perfect. We made banana bread muffins or banana muffins. And then these tiny ones are for Vayohi. So we're looking like so far with my one block. Eat the protein first. It's hot. I can't remember what sausage this was from Costco. It was like one of the plain ones, not the, you know, with the pineapple inside. I didn't realize that there are two kinds. There's Eluano. There's the regular, and then there's the hot. My mom pointed it out to me. She's like, oh gosh, this is the hot one. I said, it is? I used GPT for the first time. And what I used it for was to create a meal plan for me, prioritizing protein. But I needed to figure out all my logistics first, because I guess there's a certain amount of protein that you're supposed to be getting in every day that is essential to some type of weight loss. You wanna know how much protein I'm supposed to be getting in every day? 183 grams. That's a lot. I'm 255 right now. And I don't know if I've lost a pound or two or more, or maybe even gained since the last time I weighed myself. I'm just trying to set myself up in some type of routine. Oh, you wanna know? So 183 is the grams of protein that I should be getting in at the weight that I am now, at the height and the age that I am now. So I used that number and put into ChatGPT. Please create for me, I said please, a very simple meal plan containing 185 or 83 grams of protein. Girl, it broke it down for me very simply, exactly like how I asked. But I'm telling you, it's a lot of protein, at least right out the gate during breakfast. But the part that I was like, whoa, here's how much protein it gave me in the morning was 4 eggs, which I could do 4 eggs, but oh no, it doesn't stop there. 1 cup of egg whites. That's a lot of eggs. It's a lot of eggs. And then it was 2 slices of wheat bread and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. And that was breakfast. I was on the phone with a friend for a little bit, and then I had to make another phone call. And then I was just doing some kiko on my laptop here. And I think I'm gonna go for my walk. I set up my walking pad over here, and I got my bones ready to go on my kiwi, so. My gosh. The vagina that does my hair, her salon is flooded. Donna. Also, like really random little tidbit. I get these spurts where I become completely lost in certain melee. One particular comes up and I can't let it go. I gotta play it on my ukulele a bunch of times. I have to hear it over and over and over and over and over and over again, to the point where I memorize every single word. And right now that song for me is No Hilie. Oh my gosh. And I must say, the only other cover that I've heard is by Josh Tatofi, and it's a close second. It's a very close second. Just listen to it with me. Look who's home. Haven't walked yet. It's like after 5, maybe almost 6, but it's ready to go. I'm gonna go upstairs, grab a clip. We're gonna go hele bye-bye. Take one of these every day. supposed to be with a meal, but I kind of just ate a couple bites of what we're gonna have for Anna here. So I'm gonna count that as a meal. Put my hair up in a silk back bun because it's just in my face all the time when I start sweating, and then my baby hair is flying all over the place. Let's go ahead and bye-bye. My little cavele. 90 minutes at 2.8 speed. I probably could go Ikoru, but when I finish the rest of the week at 2.8, I feel confident enough. Kaya po ang mahiyain is next Monday, I'll bump it up to 3. So 2 episodes is perfect because it equals out to about 90 minutes. Oh, press the wrong remote. Okay. Oh,
Issues with my job. She started her career.
Congenial exchange.
Oh, what are you doing? I was waiting for you to come downstairs so you can turn my camera off. Like, turn it off.
We'll turn it off?
Too late, alright. What's that mean?
What's that mean?
My stretches. That's the only thing that's Pakiki is like go an hour and a half without any water. I mean, I could like take a break in between, but I don't want to get off. I just want to go the full 90 minutes. And Dede should go. Very good. Very good. My Kia Hiko towel going strong.